Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Start by opening any app with a text field and bring up Gboard. Once the keyboard appears, tap the G icon or the three-dot menu to reveal Translate. Select the source and target languages at the top so Gboard knows what to convert. Now type normally. Gboard will show the translated text inline. This immediate translation saves steps because you don't need to switch apps. Make sure the languages are correct before continuing. Once Translate is active, you can change languages quickly using the arrows between the language labels. This flips source and target. For faster input, tap the microphone to speak or the handwriting icon to draw characters. Gboard will convert your input and translate it. If you paste a block of text, it will translate the whole selection. When the result appears, tap it to either copy to clipboard or replace what you typed. These options let you control exactly how the translation is used. To finish, insert the translation where you need it, paste, send, or replace the original text. If you expect no internet, install offline language packs through the Google Translate app so Gboard can still operate. Make sure to check keyboard permissions and language packs if translations are slow. If Translate doesn't appear, update Gboard first, then clear the app cache and restart. If that fails, reinstall Gboard. That usually fixes missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.